What's up, legends? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So grab yourself a coffee, buckle up, and maybe say a small prayer for my old tripod, because today we're talking gear. Okay, so I've mentioned that I have this photo trip coming up, a full week of chasing sunsets, sunrises, wildlife, maybe even the elusive Bigfoot if he's feeling photogenic. And I'm not just going out to make content, I'm also going out to create, for me. Selfish? Possibly. Therapeutic? Definitely. But I have sort of a problem. Yeah, so my current tripod, it sucks. Not in the, it's fine kind of way. No, it straight up sucks. In the, I've spent more time fixing it than actually shooting with it kind of way. The legs, they loosen faster than my willpower near a donut shop. The center column, let's just say trying to raise it takes about 10 minutes and 2 emotional breakdowns. The rubber feet, well, those are gone. I spent more time looking for tripod feet in the dirt than I have composing my actual shots. Tired of losing tripod feet? Have you tried not buying garbage? So I finally decided enough was enough. If I'm heading out into the wild, I'm not bringing a liability. So let me introduce you to the Fotopro Pantour carbon fiber beast. I reached out to Fotopro after seeing this bad boy in a video like 9 months ago, and they actually sent it over to me. I mean, talk about a hell yeah moment. Now, first disclaimer, I haven't used this yet. No, I'm saving the first real test for my trip. I want to feel it in action, in the dirt, in the golden hour chaos, and Fotopro insisted that I give my unfiltered opinion on this tripod. They haven't given me a script or told me what to say. So when I post part 2 to this video, you'll see my real first time reaction to using it. So if it's as good as the specs sound, well then this should be awesome. Now speaking of the specs, so it's 100% carbon fiber, not 3 layers, not 5, 10 layers of carbon fiber. That's borderline Formula 1 levels of overkill. I'm here for it. It has a 44mm ball head with strong locking force. This thing could probably hold a bowling ball. Not that I'm suggesting that. Now I kind of want to test that. It has a 20 kilogram load capacity, or 40 pounds. That's like 13 200mm lenses, or one Canon R5 with your entire existential dread attached to it. There are also 4 different center column options. Now there's the T-bar, which is the one that I chose. There's the T-stand that turns the center column into a mini tripod. The T-basic, which is no column at all, it's just vibes. And then there's the T-track, which is a leveling bowl for overachievers. It also comes with various quick release knobs, custom dampening dials, 1/4 inch expansion ports for mounting all the things, you know, GoPro, your phone, the important stuff. And it all comes in this high-end, smooth as butter carry bag. Like this bag, this might be nicer than some camera bodies, for real. But look, specs are just specs. I mean, yeah, they sound good, they read good, but what matters is how it performs when it's go time. When the light is perfect, the subject is moving, and you need your gear to shut up and do its job. So that's where this story pauses. Because next time you see this tripod, we'll be out in Sierra Mountains. Me, this tripod, and probably way too much coffee. Testing it for real. So let's find out if the Fotopro Pantour T1 Plus is actually the ride or die that I think it is, or if it's just another pretty face. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Does this tripod look like something that you would use? Or have you used Fotopro tripods and you have an opinion? Let me know. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Also, hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed and personally use for all my photo projects. And also coming soon, I'm going to have my newest photo prints available as well. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.